Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Chengalpattu location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Blossom Trust India. They are looking for monitoring and evaluation assistant. Coming to the job requirements, graduate in commerce, economics, statistics, and trained in basic computer software applications. Minimum 2 years of work experience in data management, monitoring and evaluation tools, data quality assessment at the field level, triangulation of data sets for validation and quality checks, analysis and interpretation of data and program performance, and experience in maintaining financial records and accounts. Knowledge and experience of the health and social development sector will be an added advantage for this job role. Coming to the salary, it will be 12,000 per month plus travel will be paid. Coming to the estimated duration for this role, that is 1 year renewable. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Blossom Trust India. They are looking for project manager and coming to the job requirements, postgraduate education in social work, social sciences, public health, gender, international development with a minimum of 1 year of work experience in the development and health sector, experience in managing programs that focus on health and or gender, experience in HIV or AIDS and LGBTQ plus unrelated projects is a plus, familiar with the state government health policies and programs, strong knowledge of MS Office, especially Excel and PowerPoint, strong communication skills, good organizational and management skills, and has the capacity to monitor, report, and guide a team, and ability to work in a small teams and flexible ways of working, proficient in computer data management, data analysis, reporting writing, and case study compilation. And coming to the language skills, fluency in Tamil and basic knowledge of English would be an added advantage. And coming to the salary, it will be 15,000 rupees to 1,500 rupees for travel allowance. Coming to the estimated duration, it will be 1 year. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Initium Partners LLP. They are looking for associate. Coming to the key responsibilities, understanding Initium's audit methodologies and procedures, prepare and review audit work papers, financial statements, footnotes, agreed upon procedures and other attention engagements. Perform the auditing procedures in accordance with firm standards and in accurate, thorough and timely manner. Preparation and review of financial statements and issuing audit report. Perform and review agreed upon procedures and issuing audit report. These are the key responsibilities. Coming to the requirements for this job role, qualified chartered account within 0 to 2 years experience required, and experience in internal audit or a stationary audit consolidation and from their previous work or articleship training, and willing to work from their clients manufacturing in Marimali Nagar for the initial 8 months. Coming to the skills required for this job role, the candidates must have strong knowledge of auditing and accounting standards, and the candidates should have handled stationary audit assignments earlier, and ability to prioritize work on multiple assignments and manage ambiguity. Strong verbal and communication skills are required, clarity of thoughts and assertive and creativity of written expression, logical readability and consciousness, good presentation skills and ability to respond promptly, and the candidates should be a team player with a proactive and result oriented approach and ability to meet deadlines. And here one note is given, that is part-time or project based job seekers are not eligible for this position, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Amazing Grace Corporation. They are looking for a sales executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, the candidates meet and exceed sales targets, successfully create business from new and existing customer accounts, manage complex negotiations with the senior level executives, build a rapport and establish long-term relationships with customers. These are the key responsibilities for this job role. And coming to the qualifications, 0 to 5 years quota carrying sales experience is required, demonstrable track record of overachieving quota, strong written and verbal communication skills are required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in RLT International Institute of Hotel Management. They are looking for horticulture professor. Coming to the job description, it will be they are preferring female candidates only, and food and accommodation will be provided, and job type is full time and walk-in, and salary will be 21,000 plus to 30,000 per month. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available for English teacher in SCAD World School in Chengalpattu, and all subject teachers can apply in immediate requirement. And coming to the job roles, like for the English teacher, that is 2 openings are available. The qualifications will be MA BEd with more than 5 years of experience, lower and higher class. And for the economics, there is one opening is available, and the qualifications will be MA BEd in economics is required, and experience will be senior secondary. And for the psychology, there is one vacancy is available, and the qualifications will be MA or MSc with or without bed, and senior secondary. And for the computer science, there is one vacancy is available, and qualifications will be MSc and BEd in computer science for the lower grade. For the HR, with 7 plus years of experience in CBSE school is required. For the chemistry teacher, that is one vacancy is available, and qualifications will be MSc BEd for the higher grades, and salary not a concern for right candidates. This is about the job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.